Are you an accountant or bookkeeper looking to boost your career and offer more value to your clients? Becoming a certified QuickBooks ProAdvisor could be your next big step. At TaxAce, we provide expert training to help you pass your QuickBooks certification and gain the skills to serve clients more effectively. So, what is a QuickBooks ProAdvisor, and why should you become one? As a certified QuickBooks ProAdvisor, you'll gain a deep understanding of QuickBooks software, allowing you to help your clients manage their finances more efficiently. Not only will you learn how to master QuickBooks, but you'll also have the credibility of being certified by one of the most trusted names in accounting software. At TaxAce, we specialize in training accountants and bookkeepers to become QuickBooks ProAdvisors. Our program is designed to provide hands-on, practical training that prepares you for the certification exam and gives you real-world experience with the software. From setting up accounts, to managing payroll, to generating detailed financial reports, our training covers all the advanced features you need to excel as a ProAdvisor. With TaxAce, you're not just learning QuickBooks, you're learning how to leverage it to grow your practice and better serve your clients. Imagine offering even more value to your clients by helping them streamline their finances and improve their business operations. By becoming a certified QuickBooks ProAdvisor, you can expand your service offerings, improve client satisfaction, and boost your earning potential. With the support of TaxAce, you'll have the skills, confidence, and certification to set yourself apart in the accounting industry. So, are you ready to take your accounting career to the next level? Contact TaxAce today to learn more about our QuickBooks ProAdvisor certification training. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation and start your journey toward becoming a certified QuickBooks ProAdvisor. Your path to becoming a QuickBooks ProAdvisor starts here. Thanks for watching.